This is his beast mode. And let's check. Side, front, top portion, bottom portion. So, all in all, I could say that this is actually a sturdy figure. Maganda yung pagkagawa niya. Let's go ahead and transform him. Ang first na gagawin is, pagkiwalayin ko, yung body niya. Yan. There you go. And then, ilayin ko ng konti. So that we can adjust the torso. And then, once nagkaroon ng space doon, i-rotate lang natin ito ng konti. So, ayan, ang head niya. Ilabas na natin. And then, straighten this up. And this one, straighten this up as well. And then, yung claw or hands niya, sa tail side, i-flip lang itong button ito. I-attach lang natin itong back niya. Once na-attach yung back niya, i-flip lang itong patalikod. Flip rin ito, pababa, yung hands niya. So, rotate lang ito. And then, yung paa niya, just like with Optimus Prime, rotate lang natin. So, there you have it. Megatron in his robot mode. Ang tanging major flaw lang na napansin ko rito is actually itong arms niya. Let's check the articulation. Itong hips niya, namumove mo 360 to. Similar with the Optimus. Itong knees niya, namumove mo 360. Tapos nabibend mo 90 degrees, pero hindi mo lang masyadong move. This one, namumove mo rin 180. Yan. Ang arms niya, ang tanging movement mo lang na magagawa is i-rotate itong elbow niya itong shoulder niya ng 360. Same goes with this one. His head could also be moved 360. And possibility, in terms of the lower part, marami ang pose na magagawa. Pero dito sa arms niya, sobrang limited lang talaga ang pwedeng gawin. And masyadong malaki itong nasa likod niya na part ng beast mode niya. Pero you could consider this as somewhat like his wings. All in all, I dig this Transformers toy.